Hi, my name's Robert Haynes and I'm an international sugar flower teacher. All of these gorgeous flowers are made out of sugar from my premium white flower paste. First of all, it took us nearly 2 years to develop this premium white flower paste. It's absolutely superb. This paste is predominantly a starch-based paste. It's only got 13.68 grams of sugar in the whole pack. It's brilliant for people who have got warm hands. When you're working with the paste, it's not going to stick to your fingers. Another one of my favourite qualities of this paste is when I'm putting all of the paste down onto the stem, I can blend all of the surface of the stem with water, making it look really realistic. Use a knife to cut up the paste into manageable sized pieces, put those into a Ziploc bag, place those into a plastic Tupperware container, pop your lid on, then this can go into the freezer. The more you warm the paste up, the more elastic it will become. And it smells of strawberries and tastes of strawberries. Just absolutely beautiful paste. I'm going to be using my concentrated coloured powders to colour my paste. All of my concentrated colours and my edible dust colours come with a lovely white lid on the inside. There are 17 different beautiful concentrated colours, and this one I'm using is magenta. Bring all of the edges of the paste around and start to knead this beautiful colour into your paste to get a really deep, luxurious, beautiful magenta colour. How fantastic is that? My black concentrated coloured powder has no problem in colouring my white flower paste instantly. How amazing is that? If you want to roll your paste out incredibly thin like you would for a butterfly, with no tears, no holes, you can see how thin the paste is. Another one of my favourite tips is if you want to give your leaves a little bit more movement, you can certainly do that by using a hot hairdryer. Warm the paste up, you'll then be able to manipulate the leaf and give it some more movement. So here we go. It's given it a little bit more realistic movement to my sugar leaf. My premium white flower paste is available to purchase at numerous locations. Have a look at my supplies list on my website, www.sugarflowerstudio.co.uk. I also teach online masterclasses through my online academy, which is www.sugarflowerstudioacademy.com. I highly recommend my flower paste if you're looking for fantastic results to make beautiful sugar flowers. Please click the subscribe button below this video. The newest masterclass are these sugar butterflies made from my premium white flower paste. So I hope to see you on the masterclass.